This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
I'm good there, okay. Hi, my name is Sandal. Good to see you. I'm your guy, I'm your host, I'm the guy with a hand on the wheel, other hand on the microphone. My hands are active all the time. My hands do a lot of action. Good luck, guys. Here we go again with a 5x crazy time, actually. The bun wasn't that soggy. She says that soggy, so it was kind of a little bit. Oh! Hey, yo, wait a second, wait a minute. Is that 5x crazy time? Did that just happen? Whoa, whoa! Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, woo! Let's go! Come on, put that 5x on it. And bam! Alright, you got a choice to make, ladies and gentlemen. Green, blue, or the yellow one. 3 flappers, choose your destiny. You got it, you got it, you got it. Listen to your heart, listen to your, I don't know, stomach. Maybe it tells you the right thing. 500x, people, and there's doubles as well. 500, come on, baby!
This is the amount of money issued 443,982 euros.
Yo! People, that was good. Oh, that was good. So what, we had 100, 250, and I already forgot. Nice, all right, new runs here.
I don't know, like, it's just, time just flies. Talking about this show, guys, and about you and how the time flies with all of you. Let's go. Have a good one, see you later. All right, name's Tim. Ready to start. Gonna be your host for the next 40 minutes. Last session with me, guys. All right, here we go. Coin flip with a 5x on a top slot, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck. You're beautiful. Oh, wow. Appreciate the compliment. And we're starting off with that coin flip. Woo! Look at that. CEO. Oh, the coin flip is back, baby. Woo! Say my name. Hey, entering it with a 5x. Beautiful. Hold up. Let me prepare everything. Blue side. Now the multipliers, please. Like, no way! And we're applying that 5x, guys. 250x. Don't go too crazy, guys. Don't pre-celebrate. Blue side!
This is the amount of money issued 883,336 euros.
X, just like so. Let me catch a breather. 3,796 winners. Catching, just like so. 250x. Get in. Okay, everybody, my congratulations. Woohoo! That's the way you kick off. That's the way we kick off. Let's go.
There you go. 1462 winners, guys. You drew a 5. The 5,500, Buddha. All right, Joe, the top one. What's your favorite thing about your job? Favorite thing. It can be sometimes fun, you know? You go to work and you try to have some fun, you know? It's not like your regular office job, sitting on computers, you know, Microsoft Office, you know, using your Excels and stuff, you know, that's not my kind of thing, you know what I mean? So, it's kind of like, I come here, I just yap about league all the time and I spin the wheel, man. What can be better than that? Well, maybe getting a cash on 7x could be better than that. Sheesh. right, here we go. With that greedy and a lot of 100Xs. Get out of here. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh, look at, wow. Take a screenshot, guys. Okay, did it? Nice. All right, 700X there, but look at how many of those. Sheesh. All right. Here we go. I'm going to get small again. Don't worry. Just believe the heart of the cards. Why? Come on, heart of cards. Huh? How's it going? I just joined. Well, it's going really terrible. We got 7X cash and no one likes this. All right, come on, click something, guys. 7X cash and 7 times more, guys. Jeez. All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Good luck. Let's go. What do you got?
This is the amount of money issued 271,533 euros.
Getting 700X. Whoa, that's a lot. 2,824 winners. Banger. 49X for Buddha for 23K. Tamara. Wow. Congrats, everybody. Forsen. That is sexy. Yeah. Yabba dabba doo just for you. All right.
That was 15, 20, and 10. Okay, KRGO on top of the leaderboards out of 690 round winners. Congrats to you. And let's go to the next round. Yes, Kniga! Hello and welcome. Okay, we got 5X on Pachinko. Are you giving top slot, Jane? Well, we got a few top slots already, actually. Could this be our next Pachinko? Oh, it sure can be. Are you guys ready? Oh, this is not a random one. You guys, I just realized that we brought 5X multi in the pockets with us. I love it. Okay, let's see the starting multis, and then we will put 5X multiplier. That's the answer about the top slot, by the way. Okay, 5X. Woo! Look at these gorgeous multis. 250 is the biggest one. Okay, good luck, y'all. You should move more. Oh, okay, yeah, yes.
This is the amount of money issued 122,781 euros.
Love it, 200. Definitely a gorgeous multi, just like you guys are. 1,622 round winners. Congratulations to you, my dear players. Alrighty, let's go to the next round because we definitely don't want to stop here.
My help. Sure, I can give you worm dance as well, mate. Lonsky's asking how tall are you? I am 2 meters and 1 centimeter. I don't know how much that is in feet. I don't know how much that is in feet, like 6'7", 6'8", right? But yeah, let's try the worm dance. if that's not the best impression of the worm dance, I don't know what is. 10 with a 15x multiplying the top shot. Let's go. Come on, 10. Come on, 10. Yes.
This is the amount of money issued 25,398 euros.
10 with a 15x. Let's go. I like it. There you have it. 482 winners. 150x multiplied just like that. Quick and simple. Let's keep going with the game. Edu 2024. You are going to be the top winner. Congratulations.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services. to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.